Feature number 1. Install one account on up to 4 phones. Previously, you could only access your WhatsApp account on another device by using WhatsApp Web. But now, you can link your WhatsApp on up to 4 devices. Let me show you how. To accomplish this, install the WhatsApp application on your secondary phone. So I have mine installed. Agree and continue. Allow. And on this page, click on the 3 dots menu. This, and then select link to existing account. And now you are done with setting up your secondary device. Now on your primary phone, just go to settings and select link devices. Tap on link a device and scan the QR code on your secondary device. You are done. As you can see, we have the same WhatsApp account running on both phones. So, done. Moving on to feature number 2, chat lock. You can now lock your chats or groups on WhatsApp without third-party apps. Do this by opening a chat. Let me open this. Tap on the name. Scroll down till you see chat lock. Tap on it. And then turn on this toggle. Lock this chat with fingerprint. Turn it on. Confirm with your fingerprint. And this pop-up window is showing you how to access your locked chat. So, view. This is where it is. So to access your chat log, just swipe down and then it will display here. The best part about this feature is that whenever you receive a message in a locked chat, it does not display the message content or even the sender. Feature number 3, edit sent messages. In the moment when you make a mistake or simply change your mind, you can now edit your sent messages. So let's say I send hi over here. It shows over here. So to edit my message, all I need to do is long press on hi and then tap on the 3 dots menu here and then select edit. Change it to hello. As you can see on the left side, edit messages will display edited alongside them. So those you are messaging are aware of the corrections without showing edit history. As you can see, even if the person reads the message, you can still edit it. But note, you have up to 15 minutes to edit any sent messages. Feature number 4, control who can see when you are online. Unlike you selecting who can see your status, you can also select who can see you when you are online. Do this by going to the settings, and then privacy. This option here is who can see my lesson, and then this is the one I was talking about, who can see me when I am online. So you can set your lesson to nobody and then select who can see me when I'm online, set it to same as lesson. So it means this is also set to nobody. But if you want to choose some contacts, you can go in here and then select your contacts or select my contact except. You can do those settings over there. Feature number 5, saving disappearing messages. Now, disappearing messages, as the name implies, are messages that get deleted after a set period of time. You can turn this feature on for all your contacts or a specific contact. So in this case, I'm going to turn it on for this contact, me. So all you have to do is tap on the name and then scroll down to you find disappearing messages. Tap on it and then choose your preferred timer. If it is 24 hours, choose it. I prefer 24 hours, so I'll choose it. And that's how you set your disappearing messages. So as you can see, because I've turned on disappearing messages for this contact, you can see the timer here. So anytime you see a timer on a profile picture, it means the person has disappearing messages turned on. Okay, So this feature is talking about saving those disappearing messages. Sometimes you have disappearing messages turned on, and then let's say some important documents were sent within those time. Now because disappearing messages is turned on, all those documents will get deleted automatically. So in case you want to save those messages, all you need to do is save it. So let me try first by sending hi, then long press it, click on keep, as you can see here. So this is going to prevent this message from getting deleted after the set time elapsed. Feature number 6, prevent screenshots on view once messages. Now view once messages are text you can send on WhatsApp that gets deleted after they are viewed by the receiver. With this privacy update, receivers will not be able to take screenshots of videos or photos sent using the view once feature. Now to set a view once message, that's how you do it. Let's say I want to set a view once message for an image. You have to click on this to turn it on. So when you click on this, as you can see, view once messages will give you more privacy. Now you can see here, for added privacy, the recipient can share, forward, copy, or save, or take a screenshot of it. So that's the new feature I am talking about. Yes. So even if you send them a view once message, they can't take screenshot or screen record them. So this is the photo I am trying to view. So I can see it. Let me try taking a screenshot. It couldn't work. Cannot take screenshot due to security. I hope you saw it. So that's what they are talking about. Right, we are almost done. Feature number 7, exit group chat without notifying anyone. Previously, whenever you exit a group, notification is being sent to every member in the group about your departure. But with this feature, anytime you exit a group, it's only the group admin who will be notified about your departure. All other members will remain unaware. I think this is also a very good feature. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, stay connected and keep messaging with style. This is Mr. Annan, signing off.